Jennifer from the Cheeky Quilters. We had an open house today, kind of a little pop-up shop in Jennifer's shop here in Gaydon, Louisiana, and we are so excited. It was a huge success. We didn't sell a whole lot of product, which is good, but we got a lot of feedback on products we're going to be selling at the couple markets we have this fall. So super excited. I've got a new line of quilts that I'm going to be launching. Should I show them now?
I think so. Now's a good time.
Okay, they are road signs. I'm obsessed with road signs right now.
They're awesome.
And so, yeah, we have a therapy dog today. So we had lots of people stop by, look around at the shop. I also did some filming around the shop to show you guys all the work we've done. I know you can see behind me we got a new couch. Our long arm used to be right here. A lot of my previous videos you've seen me using the long arm right here, but we moved it. We have a couch, we have a sign, we've got new curtains. It looks fabulous in here.
I love it.
We had a couple of people ask about coming by and sewing, having sort of an open sew space here, something we are trying to figure out how to make that work. Also, we want to have classes in the future. We did talk about having a t-shirt quilt class. Jennifer loves to make t-shirt quilts.
That's all I want to do.
I'm not all about that.
It's better than cutting those little bitty pieces and putting them back together.
Love the pieces. So we're gonna, we're talking about having some classes, things we want to do. So I have a pattern launch coming also this fall. So we'll probably do another open house or something here to launch the pattern. And we have a free quilt giveaway today, and
yes,
we are going to pull names now. Everybody that stopped by today put their name in our little bucket.
I love this quilt. What's this pattern?
I think it's called Ugly Fabric Pattern, Missouri Star. We actually had a workshop with the Quilters Guild. It's basically like stack and whack-ish. And so I have all this nice patriotic fabric, so I made a red, white, and blue quilt to give away. So Jennifer, you want to pull the name?
I do.
Don't cheat.
Let's see
Don't
who
cheat.
the lucky person is.
It's probably going to be a relative.
Yeah.
Because that's who showed up for our open house.
And other people.
And a few other people. Paula Wilson.
She just left.
She just left. So congratulations, Miss Paula. We're actually going to go bring the quilt to her because she's watching the parade outside of our shop right now.
Yes.
So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.